Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Unfortunately, GALA is still not really developing here any kind of motivation to start a new move to the upside. While I talk, I move these waves to the side. It's a relentless exercise. We always have to do that. It hasn't. I mean, the situation here on the GALA chart is basically that we have a potential 5-wave move up of the 10th of June lows to the 25th of June highs. Then we had our corrective move down, so far only in 3 waves, and a fairly corrective structure, I have to say. Yeah. So this, we can give it the chance that this is going to break to the upside, but of course I cannot confirm a low yet. Yeah, I haven't confirmed the low yet, and I'm not doing it yet because it's questionable. Why is it questionable? Because it came down, yes, in 3 waves, but so far here this is not a clear 1-2 setup. It came down too low, and it makes it quite likely that we at least test the golden ratio again at 2.2 cents or even 2.03 cents. Yeah. Also, what I have to say, this move up was only a leading diagonal at best. If it's a leading diagonal, we cannot trust it until it formed 3 waves down and has given us some confidence that the turnaround is happening. So far, I don't have that confidence, because if you take away the labeling, what do you see essentially? You see a 3-wave move up, right? And that could easily lead to new lows. Okay, so that is why, despite our 5-wave move up, we cannot trust it, because it's only a diagonal structures, and there are certain rules, certain guidelines that we have to adhere to. What I can tell you, it's certainly not an impulse. Because it's not an impulse, I can't trust it, and I don't trust it. And I will repeat those warnings, yeah. And if it breaks down, nobody can tell me I didn't warn, because this is a setup, yes, but it is one among many other altcoin setups, which are currently questionable. The altcoins are not looking healthy, but we can give them the chance. We can give them the chance to recover because they hold support and they rallied in 5 waves, even though it's only a diagonal structure. So it's a tricky market right now, yeah? A very tricky market. What I'm thinking about GALA is that it might develop some kind of a descending wedge pattern here, which is a potential breakout pattern to the upside. But of course, without a breakout, we can't call it that. But this is certainly something, take that trend line out then. It's certainly something I'm observing. If we then eventually, I think a breakout to the upside of this structure, we have 3 touch points here, more or less now, depending on how I draw the trend line. You could even draw it like that. Yeah, if you disregard the wick here. Again, that's trend lines are always a little bit, they're always a little bit questionable. I mean, subjective, okay? The Fibs are not, the Fibonacci levels are not subjective. They are objective, even though Elliott wave counts are subjective. The Fib levels are not. That's why I love this method, because it gives me very objective levels to look at. And the objective level is 2.03 cents down here, the 78.6 Fib level. If that breaks, that's it. And we most likely will go even below the 10th of June lows, so below 1.8 cents. So yeah, a break above the wedge pattern could indicate that we are breaking out, then with the first target at 2.8 cents and 3.1. Unfortunately, August is a very boring market for crypto. I hope in September it's going to get more interesting. But yeah, this year is just, I mean, 2020, when was it? 2021 August was interesting. I remember that. It was good. Last year obviously was already difficult. This year is horrible. Okay, so maybe it's going to get better in towards September, October, November. We'll see. Typically, sort of end of the year, normally quite good in crypto, but we'll see. But yeah, at the moment, this hasn't given me any confidence that a low is in place. But if I see something, as you know, I will make you aware. Okay, that's my update about GALA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.